Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Ready to withdraw your money from Binance? Whether you're cashing out some profits or just need to move funds, we've got you covered. Let me guide you through the easiest way to do it, step by step. First, log into your Binance account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, hover over the account icon in the upper right corner. This is where you'll find all your account settings and options. You'll see a drop-down menu. Select Assets. Next, click Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page. On the new page that opens, pick Withdraw Fiat. This option is specifically for withdrawing traditional currencies. This is where you'll choose the fiat currency you want to withdraw. Binance supports multiple currencies. It could be USD, EUR, or any other fiat currency available. Make sure to select the correct one. Now it's time to choose your withdrawal method. Different methods have different processing times and fees. Binance offers several options like bank transfers and other payment methods. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Select the one that works best for you. Consider factors like speed and cost. After that, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be precise to avoid any issues. Make sure to double-check the details. This includes the amount, currency, and withdrawal method. You don't want any mistakes here. Errors can lead to delays or even loss of funds. Finally, click Proceed or Confirm to complete the process. And that's it. Your withdrawal request is now in progress. Your money will be on its way to your chosen withdrawal method. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. A couple of quick tips. Always ensure your account security settings are up to date to protect your funds. This includes enabling two-factor authentication and regularly updating your password. And if you have any questions, Binance's customer support is just a click away. They can help resolve any issues you might encounter. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Binance tips.